Hello everybody and welcome to the Creatrix YouTube channel. I welcome you all in a fresh session of analog electronics. And my dear friends, when I say we are going to learn analog electronics from the very basic, I mean it. We will be learning from the very basic level to the very advanced level along with a lots and lots of questions. So before we do that, let me first introduce myself for my friend who is meeting me for the first time. My dear friends, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded the President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. But my dear friends, the reason behind this series is because of the huge demand of analog electronics and the belief that whenever you ask for anything, we are there to deliver. Yes, my dear friends, we are here for you. We are here delivering for you. And when we say it, we'll support you to the very fullest level. And this series will help you crack GATE with the top rank. It will enable EC student to get 12 out of 12 and 5 out of 5 for electrical students. So my dear friends, if you want to learn with us live, then you can join an academy using the code AnkitESE to get an immediate 10% discount. And not only, my dear friend, 10% discount, it also brings you under my guidance so that I can help you do something that I have done. I can at least take you near to this goal. Okay. So if you also dream the same thing, then join me in this journey on an academy subscription using the code AnkitESE. Now, my dear friend, if you like the content that I deliver, you can watch more of my free videos on this URL, tinyurl.com/AnkitESE. Here you will find all my videos arranged subject-wise, chapter-wise, and you will find great content for free. And you are definitely going to love it. You are definitely going to enjoy. It not only includes conceptual videos, but it also includes problem-solving sessions. So just visit this once and you will fall in love with this URL. Don't forget it. It is a lifeline for you. And if you love the content that we are delivering on YouTube, we have created the first ever video book for you guys, where you will find all the videos along with all the notes that we provide arranged subject wise, chapter wise. So now, my dear friends, your dreams are no longer dreams. They are becoming a reality because you are getting a top quality course, well arranged, well structured, and that too for free. So what can be better than that? What can be better than that? Nothing, my dear friends. So we have empowered the dreams of those who earlier used to think that only the person with a huge amount of money can crack GATE with a top rank. No, my dear friends, that is not the case. Even you can do. Even you can do it. But yes, just you need to believe in yourself and visit this link. But remember, this is a case sensitive link, so write this in uppercase. Other than that, if you join plus subscription, you get all the top educators like me teaching you live in daily lectures, along with providing you daily practice paper, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, crash course, rank improvement batch, and most importantly, clearing your each and every doubt. So if you join plus subscription, it is an entire world inside it. So you don't have to look outside. Once you enter plus, every need of yours will be taken care of, and we will make your journey as smooth as possible towards that destination of getting under 100, under 10 rank. Believe me, my friend, you leave that strategy part to us. You leave the content part to us. You just work hard and we will make sure that you obtain the top rank in GATE and ESE. And Iconic is a big brother of Plus. Yes, this is a little brother. So Iconic gives you everything that a Plus subscription gives, along with much more. The major part of Iconic is this personal coach, a person dedicated to you on a daily basis to get you the top rank, guiding you, getting your schedule design, making your strategy. Everything that you need to get the top rank is being done by this personal coach. He'll also create a study planner for you, which you can follow blindly and reach your destination with utmost ease. They will be analyzing your test result and tell you where you are lacking, how you can improve. So that way, my dear friend, everybody else will get a standard analysis, but you will get an analysis just tailor-made for you. Along with it, we have included study material additionally, theory and question bank, and soon we'll be introducing interview guidance into this. So this will become a complete package for a student who wants to take that journey from being an average student to sitting into a PSU or a MTech seat. So for them, this journey will be just like driving a Lamborghini to work. So that sort of a experience, that sort of a royal experience we are going to give you. So let's move on to the lecture, and if you want to join Unacademy, just make sure you use the code AnkitESE to get my guidance as well as to get 10% over and above whatever Unacademy offers you. So now let's move on to the lecture, dear friends, and let's see what we have in store for you.
Hi guys, in the previous video I discussed with you cascade connection, in which I showed you that in cascade connection we have two common emitter amplifiers, and output of the first amplifier works as the input to the second amplifier. There we saw we can write the voltage gain as the product of the two voltage gains AV1 and AV2, and we saw that this cascade connection provides a very large gain, or you can say a very large voltage gain specifically. But due to large gain, the bandwidth of cascade connection is very small, because we know gain into bandwidth or gain bandwidth product is always constant. Then we moved on to the second connection. We studied about cascode connection. In cascode connection, we saw that the first stage was common emitter and the second one was common base. Here the voltage gain was approximately the voltage gain of common emitter amplifier. It was large but not as large as cascade connection. But due to common base connection, it has large bandwidth. And here I derived one more parameter, that was the transconductance. So transconductance was almost equal to GM1, that is transconductance of the first or the common emitter stage. Okay, and I told you how to draw the AC model for each of them, for cascade as well as the cascode connection. In this video, we will study about the third connection of multi-stage amplifier called as the Darlington pair. Okay, we'll study about it. This is the last connection of multi-stage. So see, the circuit on your screen represents a Darlington amplifier. It represents a common collector amplifier. Okay, now see, the input is applied at the base of Q1 and the output acts as the input to the second transistor, and its output is taken from emitter. So it is emitter follower, because output is being taken from emitter. Emitter follower is also known as common collector. Now why is this Darlington pair so popular or so useful? Let me show you. Suppose the current here is IB1. Let me change the color for more visibility. The current here would be IE1, but it is also equal to IB2. And the output current will then be IE2. So I'll say I0 is IE2, whereas the input current is IB1. So if you find the current gain I0 over IN, it is IE2 by IB1. Now IE2 is 1 plus beta IB2 over IB1. Now IB2 is actually equal to IE1. Now IE1 can be written as 1 plus beta IB1. So it is equal to 1 plus beta whole square, and if beta is very high, it is equal to beta square. So the current gain in Darlington pair is very high, or it is also called as super beta transistor. And in this derivation, I have assumed that both the transistors are identical, and that is why their beta is equal, or I have considered the current gain of both the transistors as beta. Why it is called as a super beta transistor? Because the current gain here is not beta but square of beta, and beta square, since beta is almost 100, so beta square will be 10,000. Okay, so same way, if you go on connecting multiple such stages, your current gain can be obtained to be a very high value. Like in 3 stages we can obtain beta cube, in 4 stages we can obtain beta to the power 4. So this is an excellent current amplifier. Up to now our focus was on working as a voltage amplifier, but Darlington pair has a special application as a current amplifier. Now let us see how to simplify this. So here what I'll do is I'll make use of H model. In H model, this will be our first stage and this will be our second stage. For second stage, the load resistance is Re. Okay. For second stage, the load resistance is Re. What about for the first stage? For first stage, the load resistance would be the input resistance of second stage. Okay. Because see, when you connect one transistor at the output of the other transistor, then the input of second stage acts as the output of the first stage. Am I right? See, the output of first stage is emitter current and it is the input of the second stage. So what I am saying is input resistance of second stage will act as the load resistance on the first stage. Is my point clear to you? So when we will be deriving for first stage, what I'll do, I'll find out the input resistance of second stage and it will act like the load resistance on the first stage. Now in H model, I have told you about one condition when we can ignore H naught. We have studied if H naught into RL is less than equal to 0.1, we can say H naught can be ignored. Since it is common collector, I'll write H naught C. And for second stage, load resistance is Re. So it always will be less than 0.1 because it is in micro and it is in kilo. So it will be less than 0.1. So you can say H naught C can be ignored for second stage. Okay. So first I will try and derive the parameters of second stage of amplifier. Okay. So the input is connected at the base terminal. This is the base terminal. Between base and emitter terminal, I'll always have a parameter HIE. Since it is common collector, you can either use HIC, but I'll show you how you can use HIE. I am just replacing BJT by its model. This is emitter terminal. Between collector and emitter, I'll have HFE IB, or let me call it as IB2. Now this is our collector terminal. Now see, in the second stage, emitter has a resistance Re between emitter and ground. So this is resistance Re between emitter and ground. And if you see collector is connected to VCC, but for AC you will ground this VCC. So this collector will be connected to ground. Here I have ignored HOC or HOE because HOC into Re is very small. This is input voltage of second transistor. Now what parameters do I want to find out? I first want to find out the current gain. This is the output current. So current gain is I0 over IB2 for second stage. Now I0 you can find out by applying KCL. It is 1 plus HFE into IB2 over IB2. So this comes out to be 1 plus HFE. Okay. That is your current gain. Now the next thing that I want to find out is the voltage gain. For voltage gain, you will write V naught. V naught will be I naught into Re, which means 1 plus HFE IB2 Re. What about input voltage? Input voltage can be obtained by applying KVL. It is equal to IB2 HIE plus V naught. So IB2 HIE plus 1 plus HFE Re into IB2. For voltage gain, what I will do is I'll find out V naught over input voltage of second transistor. If you take the ratio, IB2 will get cancelled. So it will be 1 plus HFE into Re over HIE plus 1 plus HFE into Re. Now I told you in the earlier videos that HIE is nothing but R pi, which is 1 plus beta Re. So this is in the range of kilo ohm. This capital Re is also in kilo ohm. So you can say that HIE and Re are almost same. But this capital Re is multiplied by a factor of 1 plus HFE. What is HFE actually? HFE is beta. Now since Re is multiplied by a factor of beta, what will happen? Beta into Re will be very high. It will be much higher than HIE. Understand it again. What I am saying here is capital Re and HIE are almost same. But capital Re is being multiplied by a factor of 1 plus HFE, and that is why this entire term is very high. So you can ignore HIE and you can say the gain will be almost equal to 1 because 1 plus HFE Re will get cancelled. So that means it is not providing any voltage gain but only providing the current gain. Now suppose I want to find out, let me go to the next slide. Suppose I want to find out the input resistance of second stage. Input resistance of second stage is input voltage by input current. So it is V into over IB2. Now V into is this equation, this one. If you divide it by IB2, what you will get? HIE plus 1 plus HFE Re. Just now I told you this entire term is way higher than HIE. So it is 1 plus HFE into Re. This is equal to RL or load resistance for first stage. Now I have determined all the parameters for the second stage. Now I'll move on to the first stage. Again I'll draw hybrid model for first stage. But what is the condition to ignore HO? We say if HO into RL is less than equal to 0.1, HO can be ignored. Since the first stage is also common collector and RL for first stage is 1 plus HFE Re. Now earlier here I told you that HOC into Re is less than 0.1. But now if you see, there is one more factor of 1 plus HFE. This value will not be equal to 0.1. So HO cannot be ignored. If it can't be ignored, we need to use exact hybrid model. Okay. We can't use approximate model, or you can say we can't ignore HO since now the resistance is multiplied by a factor of 1 plus HFE. Again, let me try and draw the model. This current is now IB1. Okay. See this circuit. I have connected it to the base of Q1. Now the collector is connected to ground and ammeter is connected to a resistance Ri2, which I have written as RL. So between base and ammeter we will have a resistance HIE, and between ammeter and ground we will have a resistance RL. This is RL. Now between collector and ammeter we will have a current source HFE into IB1. But now you will not ignore HOE, so you will draw the resistance 1 by HOE. HOE is actually admittance, so we have drawn 1 by HOE. This voltage is the input voltage V in 1, and this is your output voltage V01. Now if you see, the collector of the first transistor is connected to ground. So what I'll do is, I'll connect this collector terminal to ground. Okay, like this. Again, I have to derive all the parameters for the first stage. Okay, here my aim is to derive all the parameters of first stage. Now see, this terminal of RL and 1 by HOE is connected together. Similarly, this terminal of RL and 1 by HOE is also connected together. If both the terminals are connected together, I can say both are in parallel. So what I'll do is, I'll remove 1 by HOE from here, and what I'll do is, I'll draw it here, 1 by HOE. This voltage is V01 and this voltage is I01. So let me start deriving the parameters. So the first parameter that I'll derive is your current gain. Current gain of the first stage. It will be I01 over IB1. Now see, here IB1 current is coming, here it is coming HFE into IB1. Now these two currents will add up and they will be divided between RL and 1 by HOE. So what I'll say, I01 is nothing but 1 plus HFE IB1, but this current is getting divided between 1 by HOE and RL. So I'll apply current division, 1 by HOE over 1 by HOE plus RL, 1 by IB1. So this IB1 gets cancelled. So it comes out to be 1 plus HFE over 1 plus HOE into RL. This RL is nothing but, as I told, 1 plus HFE into RE. So this will be 1 plus HOE, 1 plus HFE RE. That is the current gain of the first stage. Now what you can say is, overall current gain is product of the two current gains. The previous current gain was how much? The previous current gain was 1 plus HFE. So it will become 1 plus HFE whole square by 1 plus HOE, 1 plus HFE RE. That will be the overall current gain. The next parameter that I'll derive is the voltage gain, AV1. Now this voltage gain AV1 will be equal to output voltage of first stage by input voltage of the first stage. Now the output voltage is simply I01 into RL. Okay. So what you can say otherwise is, just take these two resistances in parallel and find their R equivalent. R equivalent is 1 by HOE into RL over 1 by HOE plus RL. So this can be written as RL over 1 plus HOE RL. This is R equivalent. The current going into this R equivalent is sum of IB1 and HFE IB1. So what is the total current going into R equivalent? 1 plus HFE IB1. So what I can say, V01 is 1 plus HFE IB1 into R equivalent. What about input voltage of the first stage? It is IB1 into HIE plus V01 if we apply KVL like this. Okay. So input voltage of first stage is Vin. It is equal to IB1 into HIE plus V01, which means IB1 HIE, if I put the value of V01, 1 plus HFE R equivalent. So now if you take the voltage gain of first stage, it will be equal to V01 by Vin1, 1 plus HFE R equivalent. I am putting the value RL over 1 by H0E into RL by HIE 1 plus HFE RL over 1 plus H0E RL. If you take the LCM, it will become 1 plus HFE square RE. So what I have done here is, I have put this value of RL also 1 plus HFE into RE. So if you put RL equal to 1 plus HFE RE, it will become 1 plus HFE square. Similarly, HIE 1 plus H0E, RL is 1 plus HFE into RE, plus in the denominator itself 1 plus HFE into RL, 1 plus HFE square into RE. Now the overall voltage gain will be equal to product of the two voltage gains, but AV2 is almost 1, so it is equal to AV1. So the entire voltage gain is provided by AV1 or first transistor, and it is less than 1. So it means if both the gains are less than 1, and if you cascade multiple such stages, if you keep on connecting such stages one after the other, the voltage gain will go on reducing. So Darlington pair cannot act as a voltage amplifier. At most it can act as a voltage buffer. Voltage buffer means the device which can provide a voltage gain equal to 1. It can never act as an amplifier. It can only provide maximum gain of 1, but practically the gain is less than 1. So what is the practical use of Darlington pair? The practical use of Darlington pair is to have a high current gain, and that is why it is called as super beta transistor. Now suppose I want to find the input resistance of the first stage. So input resistance of the first stage will be the overall input resistance. It will be Vin over IB1. It is input voltage, this is input current. So from this equation, what you can say? HIE plus 1 plus HFE, R equivalent is RL over 1 plus HOE RL, where RL is how much? 1 plus HFE into RE. One plus HFE RE. Remember, this HIE is separate. Okay. So that will be the overall input resistance. So what I have done here is, I have analyzed using the H model both the stages of the amplifier separately. But if you see, the load resistance of first stage is not very small. So we have used exact hybrid model instead of approximate hybrid model, or you can say we haven't ignored H0. Okay. So what we have studied in this lecture, we have studied the concept of Darlington pair. It also basically is sold in market as a separate IC. It has high current gain almost equal to beta square, and it has low voltage gain Okay, it is acting as your super beta transistor. So what if you want to remember also in Darlington pair, what you have to do? Use exact model for Q1 and use approximate model for Q2. And also no need to memorize any formulae if you can draw the equivalent circuit. The equivalent circuit is nothing but it has a resistance and it has a dependent current source. If you can draw that much, you won't need to memorize any formulae. In the examination itself, you can draw the circuit and find the gain. If it comes in the conventional exam, you can always derive this entire thing, and even if it comes in gate examination, either the question will be very simple or it will be of 2 marks, and if it is of 2 marks, you can take out time and solve this problem. Okay, but no need to directly memorize formulae, because there is no guarantee that such a question will come in exam. And if there is no guarantee, why you need to take so much risk of memorizing so many things? Okay, so don't memorize it. In the entire chapter of BJT amplifiers, single stage, multi-stage, always try and understand how you can draw the equivalent circuit. Okay, so this is all from multi-stage amplifier. In the next video, I'll show you how to solve problems based on multi-stage amplifiers. Thank you.
I hope all of you have enjoyed the lecture that we were providing, and all of you learned something very good. Now is the time to learn about the Unacademy subscription. So as I told the benefits of the Plus subscription at the very beginning, let's go through them very quickly. Live classes you get by the top educators, crash course, rank improvement batch, doubt clearing, weekly quiz, test series, previous year question, practice question, everything in one subscription called as Unacademy Plus. And Iconic is one level higher. It provides you a personal coach who will mentor you on a daily basis, who will guide you on a daily basis, along with providing you study planner, test analysis, study material, and soon enough interview guidance. So if you are looking to join Unacademy, let's see what are the pricing. So my dear friends, before we see the pricing, just see the link. This link will help you crack GATE and ESE with the top rank, because we have created the first ever video book for GATE and ESE for my YouTube family, and you will get the notes as well as the lectures here. Just make sure that you write this link in the uppercase and you will get to the first ever video book for GATE and ESE, and it is nothing but revolutionary. Now let's see the pricing of Plus subscription. So for 12 months, the pricing is 3250, but if you apply the code Ankit ESE, it becomes 27225. For 18 months, it will be 34650, and for 24 months, 39600. Believe me, my dear friend, this is the most affordable pricing, and the longer duration subscriptions are more cost effective as compared to shorter duration. Like here, it will cost you 1650 per month. Okay, this will be 2000 per month approx. This will be around 2250 per month. Then if you go for Iconic for 12 months, it is 5250 with code Ankit ESE, it becomes 45225, and 2-year subscription becomes 66600. So the choice is yours, but take a longer duration subscription for more cost effective solution, and to give GATE and ESE at least 2 times, so that if you once crack GATE, in the next attempt you can even get ESE. And other than that, my friends, you can download the Unacademy Learning app right now, because there we provide live classes for free, test series and live quizzes for free. And once you download it, make sure that you follow this profile. This is my profile, so that whenever I come live, you will get the notification. And this is the Telegram channel for our team. Here you will find all the lecture links, all the lecture files, and all the links for the special classes. Other than that, my friend, my personal Telegram channel also you can join, t.me/GateAIR1. Here you can get in touch with me and we can take this journey together. Okay. Other than that, we have other YouTube channels like Mechanical, Civil, and Telugu, JEE channel, Computer Science, Gate Question, and Electrical Junction, Pathshala, and GS Terminal. Electrical Junction contains short videos of great concepts. Pathshala provides you animated content. JEE preparation can be done through these two channels, Unacademy SSC JEE and GS Terminal. And you can refer the other channels to the other friends in respective branches so that they can also be benefited. At last, I would like to say, please share, like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and not only subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video comes. And share these videos among all your college group, among all your friends, so that we can create the first ever revolution of free education in field of GATE and ESE. Thank you to everybody for dedicating time to watching this video. Please move on to the next one as well and take the benefit of all the free content that we are providing. And in case you have completed the series, do make sure you watch the other subjects available on this channel. Thank you.